So our project focuses on comparing the national market share numbers and analyzing them on a state level by performing a granular analysis of market share within the agricultural sector, more specifically the agricultural sector of the North American region. Our main goal with this data is to answer the question, where can BASF provide resources to increase their market share? This can be done by leveraging data analysis, creating statistical algorithms, and using machine learning. Our code and data will allow us to measure the accessible market opportunity and provide a clear understanding of how the organization's market share compares to the overall potential in a specific area. During the fall semester, we have worked towards completing four main concepts for BASF. Data exploration, which we were able to do by understanding and interpreting the data, which we go more in depth in the spring. Also, we have worked towards making a granular market share analysis, which involves breaking down the market into smaller segments to gain a more detailed perspective. Once again, we go over this more in the spring by cleaning the data and separating it into national and state data frames. We've also worked on benchmarking analytics, which have been able to effectively compare the market presence and performance of the organization. And we also were able to find market share numbers that allowed us to quantify market opportunity and allow us to provide a clear understanding of the potential opportunity. For the spring semester, what I specifically have done is separated the data into national and state data frames to help clean it. And I was able to also remove any null or none values in the data. And then I used this clean state and national data frames and separated them specifically. And I used the state data frame to gather specific crop frames and wrote a code that separated each individual state with each individual crop. And this gave us a very insightful look at how specific crops had different market shares in specific states. Also, we started learning about different algorithms we could use to help process our code. And the main algorithm that we've been focusing on is Bayes' theorem. And our goal with that is to create an algorithm that can incorporate different factors from the data set, both categorical and quantitative data. And with all of our work combined, we have started to create our posters and videos for the symposium in April. And some of our future plans with the project is to ensure scalability and to use machine learning to train predictive models that provide recommendations on state level data to further our insights into where BASF can provide resources to increase market share.